Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. So we'll also take this opportunity to officially launch our Cybersecurity Awareness Month 2024 with the theme Cyber Tiwala, Cyber Handa, and Cyber Tatag.
Cyber Tiwala, Cyber Handa, Cyber Tatag,
Cybersecurity Awareness Month, October 2024.
Hey!
Thank you for joining us today as we kick off the Cybersecurity Awareness Month 2024. We have been working for this in the past few months. Again, we'll be inviting everybody. Hope we be safe, tiwala, handa, and tatag. From your office na Cybersecurity Bureau, ang sabi nga ni Yusek Jeff na hindi natutulog, maraming salamat po.
We actually rose in the Global Cybersecurity Index. From a score of 77, we are now 93.49. Near perfect, kapantay ng China, ng US, ng Canada, etc. etc.
Let's continue to building a safer and more secure digital future for all. Maraming salamat po.
On behalf of Secretary Ivan Jan Uy, I congratulate the CSB for starting this Cybersecurity Awareness Month. And at the same time, I congratulate the DICT. As mentioned by Yusek Jeff earlier, this is the most proactive DICT na I think the Filipino is experiencing right now.
Kaya nga po, Cyber Tiwala, Cyber Handa, Cyber Tatag. Kasama niyo po ang AGCC, ang ASEAN Japan Cybersecurity Community Alliance sa inyong pagdiriwang ngayong buong buwan ng Oktubre. Mabuhay po kayo! Salamat po!
Maligaya 2024 Cybersecurity Awareness Month!
It is important that we trust our online systems, especially those that require high integrity like online banking, when you're submitting information to government and to other websites. Importante kasi magtiwala tayo sa ating cyberspace. We encourage everyone, not only DICT, to please participate. Hopefully, together this month, we can bring cybersecurity awareness to the people, no? At nang mabawasan na yung mga scams, mabawasan na yung mga hacks, at higit sa lahat, tumaas ang tiwala ng sambayan ng Pilipino sa mga online transactions. Maraming salamat po.